Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change the text density and spacing in your Gmail account. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is sign into Gmail and then select the gear icon up at the top right. Just go ahead and left click on that. And then you want to go underneath density and you can select the default density, comfortable, or compact. So right now we're set at default here. If we select it to comfortable, you may notice that some of the icons will change. So especially when you do compact, you'll notice that the spacing certainly is different between all three. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.